video. I'm gonna trim my plants. I'll do before and after. We're also going to move this shop light out here, and I will show you why. We're going to put this one over the big tank so these plants will grow better and so I can see my fish in there. And the other lamp with the reflectors will help put more light into the tank for my water plants. And obviously I need to trim all of this. And then we're also going to get rid of this crap, get rid of the empty pots that are in here, and make this look nicer. So yeah, I'm gonna get going on that and blast some music and see how this all goes. Oh, yeah, be back. Alright, and we're back. Need to do a little bit more cleaning on the tanks, but, well, this one anyways. Here's what they look like now. That's going to have to fill back up. I'm going to keep it only around the rim and the back wall and the side, because I have all these plants in here, which is hard to see. Anubis nana, Madagascar lace plant, lotus, Amazon sword ×2, some sort of veil, and that taller one there is an Amazon veil? I don't know. Another veil plant. And hoping those all start roots. Hoping those start to grow and grow roots. Nothing in this one because I don't want roots in the pump. The tank you can now see in there. I fed them shrimp. You can see the Syndantis. One of the catfish. One of the big catfish has died. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's Larry that died, but there's another big ass one. One of the fish is just completely missing. And I really... oh, bottom's not looking that bad anymore. Somewhere, either back here or back here. Probably right there in the middle, it looks like. In the middle of those three rocks. It is like a 30-year-old fish that I can't remember the name of right now. But it's time for me to head to the family Christmas. So I'm going to peace out. Edit this video there while I'm hanging out. Get some food for work tonight and tomorrow. Head to work. Actually pass out first, then head to work. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Happy New Year. And see you later. Peace. Mike says, like, rate, comment, subscribe. Watch a new video. Subscribe. I don't know. Figure it out. Meow, meow, meow.